Welcome to section 1 of this course. In this section, we are going to discuss how to build a Jarvis AI system for our computer using Python programming language and then use that system to control our home appliances. Moreover, we are also going to discuss the working mechanism, the circuit diagram, and adding different features to our Jarvis, sending data from our computer to Arduino using Python, controlling Arduino through our computer. Other than these topics, we are also going to add different basic functions to our Jarvis AI so that it can not only just control our Arduino, but it can also act like a proper assistant, telling time and date, welcoming the user, etc. Jarvis, turn on the light.
Turning on the light.
Jarvis, turn off the light.
Turning off the light.
So I will see you in the next video.